Here, sweetie, let me chew that for you.
Sharon, he's old enough to do it by himself, okay?
I can't do it.
You're not even trying. Use the fork. Oh my god. Benjamin, we're not doing this in front of our guests, okay? Put the food in your mouth.
I'm trying, okay?
Benjamin, eat the food.
So good.
Benjamin, this isn't the time for your superb acting.
He's our little thespian.
That's it. Nobody leaves this table until you finish every bite of your dinner. Why can't you just be like your brother?
I will eat the dinner, Papa.